Car TikTok. It's time for me to teach you how to properly unwrap a car that is undercover. No, not like a present. Like, how do you actually take this off and keep a cover organized on a daily basis, especially if you're daily driving? And if you have a car that sits outside and you like it a lot, you should get one of these car covers. I'm telling you, it's the best. Couple of $100, $200 or $300, $400, depending on which one you have or which one you're going to buy, spent keeping up your car. A ceramic coat and a car cover goes a long way to keeping a car nice. So this is an outdoor car cover meant to be out here in the rain. Now we're going to take it off, like your girlfriend's panties. You want to lift all your edges up first. Place it on the corner of the car like such. This cover has mirror pockets, so you actually want to pull those off and just sit it loosely there. Pull the front up, again, unhooking it from the mirrors. And you see how I've begun to fold it up like this. Corner 4. You just pull these off like your mom's bra. And you're gonna start with something like this. Now, if it's windy outside, you wanna make sure these pieces here are pretty flat so the wind just doesn't blow it off. Now I walk to the back of the car, this is what I'm looking at, and I wanna take the car cover and fold it onto itself. This is hard with one hand. Might have to come up front to adjust it. All right, this is pretty good. Now you wanna fold it a second time. So you've got the initial fold layer, and you wanna create a second fold layer of your car cover. Now, why am I doing this so carefully? Because the top of the car cover itself has a bunch of dust and dirt on it, and you don't want that inside your car because that's where we're going to put this cover when we're done with it. So by wrapping it on itself, you actually contain it within the car cover. We're going to fold that second fold, and now you've got a pretty narrow folded car cover here. Again, this is nothing perfect, and you want it to be about this wide. And then you just start rolling it up. Now I'm going to have to put the camera down to do this. It's kind of a two-hand operation, like your mom. We're about halfway done, so you can kind of see we're ending up with like a pillow-shaped little deal here, and you just keep rolling. And this is exactly what you end up with, just a nice little roll. All the dirt and dust is contained inside the car cover, so it's not going to get into your trunk or anywhere else that you put it. It's going to stay right there.